Hello fam Alfaros, we are heading to a different country. Come with us. Welcome to our vlog. Without fail, we're getting our bags checked as always, so we're just waiting, chilling, waiting. You guys, we have finally made it to our, I don't know what this section is called, but where we like port to get on the airplane. Anyway, we made it. We're about to eat some snacks, hang out for a little bit because we're like 40 minutes early. What are you doing this time? You know, what do you do? Anyway, everybody's kind of spread out doing their own thing. Edwin is talking to his, where is he? Edwin's talking to his brother way over there. We have my sister-in-law, and then Mia is digging in the snack bag. We'll check in a little bit. Bye. We have boarded our flight, got the snacks out, iPad ready, we're ready to go. Love you guys, see you in the next country. We're currently at immigration right now. We just landed, had a good flight. Mia did exceptionally well. It is so packed. It's gonna be a few hours. We just got our stuff and now we're heading to our private transportation so we can head to the resort. Come along. Little camera prepared to be sick of me. Made it. Just checked into our resort and now we're waiting for our driver to drive us to our resort room. So we are hungry, tired, it's a long travel day, but these people are literally so amazing. I love it here already. This is our first time at this part. We stayed at Sunrise last year and this year we wanted to try something different. So let's go to our room. you.